This is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Nissan Navara, stock number 6726. This ran from the 1st 2007 to the 8th 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front 16-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door 5 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right hand headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifters, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,